As an artist, everything I make is one of a kind, and it usually takes several attempts for me to get what's up here into physical form. And this project that I'm working on currently is no different. So I'm creating a sunflower belt buckle for a client, and I'm on trial number 3. I've been cutting out these little tiny petals. I went and programmed them on my CNC plasma cutter, cut them out, cleaned them up with a wire brush, and then TIG welded them onto this little circle. Now the first attempt didn't work. I tried to change the levels, do a little bit different in the spacing on the second one. I'm still not getting that organic look that I'm going for. So this time I'm actually going to try something a little bit different. Going back to programming, reprogramming this, but creating 2 solid pieces that I'm going to actually physically sculpt into. So check out the program. Have you thought about creating metal art but didn't know where to start? The stuff I'm making today is not where I started out. I actually started out by making simple projects using horseshoes, scrap metal, and silverware. And by practicing, copying other people's stuff, and then learning how to make my own, I eventually worked my way up to doing this. And because there wasn't any resources when I started writing books and teaching on YouTube. So if you want to get started, the horseshoe crafts is by far, in my opinion, the easiest materials to use to create metal art. And then moving up from that to scrap metal, and from scrap metal to the silverware art. They get steadily more difficult as you go. However, each of the books I've written start from easy and go into complex, and you can see in each book where it lists it. So if you've ever wanted to start making art, if you looked at stuff like this and went like, I would love to do that, start small, start easy, and practice. Learn the materials, learn to work with them, learn to see them differently. And as you move through that, your stuff will start turning into your own designs and stuff that you, well, never imagined that you'd ever create. So If you're interested, check out my books. They're on Amazon and on my website, barbiethewelder.com. And if you have any questions as you're going along, reach out to me, Barbie at barbiethewelder.com. I'm here to guide you, teach you, and answer any questions that you have so that you too can live a life beyond your wildest dreams, creating art that is beyond your wildest dreams. Be excellent to yourself, be excellent to each other. Make today a masterpiece.